It's time for this walk that I do when Carol is here.
Good morning, Victoria.
Look, it is blooming cold and I've had enough. Please do something about it.
You're always complaining about my weather.
I know.
No, you're right though. It is a pretty cold start to the day. These are the kind of temperatures we're looking at the moment. Now it's 10 o'clock, as you said. It's still -2 in Cardiff and Exeter, -1 in Birmingham, Manchester 1, but Edinburgh and Belfast, well, much milder. The reason for that is there's more cloud around and we've also got some rain. So the cloud's kind of acting like a bit of a blanket, and then you can see the clear skies across England and Wales, which has allowed the temperatures to tumble overnight. So we've got some of our viewers' pictures to send in, the Weather Watchers' pictures. Look at that beautiful sunrise in Oxfordshire. Now, Victoria, if you were up early enough this morning, you'd have seen that kind of thing in London too.
I was up earlier than that, my dear. I was seeing the Plough and Orion.
Yeah, moving on. And we also had a beautiful sunrise as well in Wales and Comey. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? The colours, stunning. And I've got yet more to show you. Just up the road in Anglesey, there was a wee bit more cloud just coming in from the west. It was as you moved inland, we had the clear skies.
Is that a chapel? Does that?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
You've got to be quick.
Gorgeous, yeah. Sorry.
But yes, it was. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then Worcestershire, frost. Hardly surprisingly, you know, temperatures -4, -5, -6 last night, even -7 in parts of England. So hardly surprisingly, we saw a frost, and this is one from Norfolk. But it wasn't just frost. You know, scenes like this are not really unfamiliar at this time of the year in Scotland. And the snow lying. We've also got more snow in the forecast, and not necessarily just for Scotland.
Okay. Coming south then, I'm assuming.
It is coming south.
Yeah?
That was beautifully done. Yes, it is. And we've got some snow in the forecast today as well.
I just nod the ball over to you, you kick it in the back of the net. See you later.
This works well, thank you. Well, today we do have some rain as well as some hail snow, and the whole lot is continuing to drift steadily southwards. We've had the rain coming in across the north and the west, accompanied by gusty winds. We've had gusts 60 miles an hour across parts of the Outer Hebrides this morning, but you can see some showers developing just ahead of the band of rain. So the rain and the wind will very slowly move southeastwards through the course of the day across Scotland and Northern Ireland, eventually getting into the far northwest of England. But generally speaking, for most of England and Wales, it's going to be a gorgeous day with a fair bit of crisp winter sunshine. Now, even into the afternoon, we'll have that combination of windy weather, wet weather, and also the hail snow across Scotland. For Northern Ireland, the rain's going to be fairly persistent, and we'll see it edge in across northwest England, again with height. We're not immune to a wee bit of winteriness, but move away from the west. We're back into sunnier skies, a little bit of fair weather cloud here and there. It will feel nippy. We've got light breezes, but temperatures are roughly where they should be at this stage in February. We're looking at about 5 to about 8 as we head down towards the south. Then as we head on through the evening and overnight, the same band of rain is very slowly edging southeastwards. It will deposit some sleet and some snow in the Pennines, and we'll see some snow even at low levels across parts of Scotland and also Northern Ireland. And in the far southeast, where we remain under clearer skies, well, we're looking at a touch of frost, but it's not going to be as cold a night as the one that has just gone. So we start the forecast with all of this tomorrow, the rain continuing to edge southwards, and through the course of the day, increasingly, we'll see some of that snow at lower levels, even across the southern uplands, through parts of northern England, Wales, possibly even in towards the Midlands. It's a risk at this stage as we come further south, but I'd rather tell you about it than not. Ahead of it, still some brighter skies in the far southeast of England. Behind it, while we're looking at a mixture of sunshine and showers, and some of the showers will have that wintry feel, so there'll be some rain, sleet and snow mixed in there. By the time we get to Wednesday evening and overnight, that band of rain continuing to edge down towards the southeast. Still snow embedded in it as well, largely on the hills. But don't be surprised if you wake up early on Thursday morning and you see a little covering of snow. Again, it's going to be cold and frosty. And as we move through the course of Thursday, eventually that pulls away and it turns a wee bit milder.